This project means so much to me because it's my dad's 1971 Plymouth Satellite. We're giving it a subtle space-inspired theme with Marvin the Martian as its mascot. My dad is a retired Air Force Master Sergeant, and one of his most memorable planes was a KC-135 that he called Kosmic Kerosene, which had Marvin the Martian painted as its nose art on the side. And now his own car, which is a car that's been in our family for decades, surviving a snowplow and cross-country moves, is finally getting its fresh new paint job by our friends at Inline 6 Paint and Body. We're calling it the Martian Edition, and I had the honor of hand-painting the emblems in the custom airbrush strobe stripe that you see in this video. The final touch will be a Sassy Grass Green paint to bring everything together.